Billionaire Carl Icahn predicts a recession or worse, says there's no accountability in corporate America. Hey everybody, welcome to Simple Crypto. Let's go over today's top cryptocurrency movements. It is March 24th, 2022. Just remember, this video is not financial advice or made for educational purposes only. Let's get into it. Bitcoin up 4.32%, 4.97% up Ethereum. Binance up 3.04%, XRP up 2.26%. Gainers, losers, we have some metaverse action. Axie Infinity up 21.24%. Ethereum Classic up 14.36%. Hollow up 13.79%. Aave up. Cardano up. Thorchain down 4.57%. And not too many losers in the last 24 hours. We will go into the Bitcoin charts and Ethereum charts more in depth later on in this video, but first let's get into news. DOJ unveils charges amid investigation into Frosty's NFT rug pull. Let's see what's going on here. The Department of Justice said Thursday that it has charged 2 individuals with conspiracy to commit wire fraud and conspiracy to commit money laundering related to a non-fungible token scam known as Frosty's. Very interesting. What else we got in the news? Defiance Capital rescues 13.3 million at risk of being stolen. Let's check that out. So, quick take. Not only did Defiance Capital founder Arthur Chiang lose 1.7 million NFTs and crypto in a phishing attack, but a second wall was also exposed. From the second wall, the hackers stole more than 720,000 of Lido tokens and had the potential to steal a lot more, but it was prevented. What else do we have? Bitcoin gains 20 billion after Russia mulls accepting BTC for natural resource sales. Let's see what happened here. Bitcoin is rallying following reports of Russia considering accepting cryptocurrency for the exports of its natural resources, gaining over 5% on the day and 70% in the past 10 days after pushing past 44,000. BTC's market valuation has also gained by $20 billion and soared past $835 billion. Breaking: Russia to accept Bitcoin as payment for oil from allies. Let's see what happened here. Per report from RBC, Russia will accept Bitcoin to trade their energy resource. Pavel Zavolny, chairman of the State Duma Committee on Energy, announced today that the country will let ally countries pay for their oil with the local currencies or in cryptocurrency. Lastly, Novogratz, Bitcoin highly recommended for countries with bad stewardship of economics, reiterates 500K BTC call. Key takeaways: Mike Novogratz has predicted that Bitcoin will hit 500K in the future. He thinks that the adoption of the asset by countries wrecked by bad governments is the way forward. Bitcoin is yet to hit the 100K milestone and currently struggles in the throes of 40 to 45K. Now, we see trending. We have ApeCoin, which was released a few days ago, Shiba Inu, PancakeSwap, Axie Infinity, DAO, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Now, let's get into the charts. In the hourly chart of Bitcoin, yes, we are moving up throughout the couple days. We see a nice support trend line right here. Let me get my brush. There it is, right here on the bottom. That was an awful drawing, but I'm sure you got the idea. But be very careful, because right now I will zoom out to the 4-hour, or best to describe it, the 1-day chart. Zoom in here and we see a major resistance level at around that 44 to 45K. Let me try that one more time. There we go. We are forming a sort of bearish pennant from here. Price comes down, consolidates, and the pattern shows that we may be going down. So just be aware that we are at a major resistance level. The price did not break through it just yet. It might consolidate a little bit. We'll see what happens. It can go any other way. Just be very careful of the price at this point in time. Now, let's look at the Ethereum price chart as well. Now we'll do Ethereum USDT. Basically, same thing happened here. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. We have some nice movement up in the past couple of days, but if we zoom out, Let's go to the daily chart. We see basically the same thing. It's actually more of a bearish pennant on Ethereum right now. So price goes down, fluctuates, and we see the bearish pennant actually more visibly here, where the price can go down after this pattern breaks. So not a true resistance level. It's more of a downwards trend right here, started from 34,000 to that 3,100 level. So same thing, be very cautious. These are very critical levels, and take account of that before you invest. Now let's see what Carl Icahn had to say in his most recent interview. So in quotes, I think there very well could be a recession or even worse. There's no accountability in corporate America. You have some very fine companies with some very fine CEOs, but far too many that are not up to the task that I think is going to be necessitated. Inflation is a terrible thing when it gets going. You can't get that genie back in the bottle too easily. We saw it in the 70s. We saw what happened. Very interesting articles. Let me know what you think about the markets. Give me a comment. Please like, hit the bell notification, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.